Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Now, normally, my channel's about fishing, but weather's been kind of bad, and you know what I say, when we're not catching, we're cooking. So today, guess what we're gonna do? Brisket. Yep. So anyway, I've prepared most of it already as far as washing it and patting it down and getting it dried. I'm getting ready to cut it up. So I'm going to show you my method of doing it. There is really a bunch of different methods. I don't think any of them are really wrong. I think they all come out tasting great. But this is my method. You're welcome to try it. Anyway, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do, is going to be, we're going to remove all this hard fat off of this brisket. The hard fat don't render down during the cook, and we want to make sure we get the best results possible. So I'm going to go ahead and start trimming that. I'll save you the daunting task of having to watch it. So anyway, I'll go ahead and do that now, and then I'll check back. All right, guys, so we got the brisket trimmed up, got all the hard fat off. Getting ready to go ahead and put our binder on it. And then our seasoning, I'm going to go ahead and just use regular old mustard as a binder. This pan is a Drip Ease pan. I think they're $39.99. They got various sizes. This is the extra large size. I'm not affiliated with them, but if they want to call me for a sponsor, that'd be great. Anyway, I encourage you, if you cook a lot and you do a lot of briskets or anything you use seasoning with, this is a great pan to use. It definitely keeps you from making a mess in the kitchen and keeps your wife off your case like me. You know, I make a mess. Anyway, let me go ahead and get the binder on, and then the seasoning, I'll let you know what's going on. Alright, so I went ahead and got the binder on it. Like I said, we just used yellow mustard. There's a lot of different binders out there. I've seen a lot of people use different things from mayonnaise to ketchup, that Worcestershire sauce. I mean, you name it. I don't think you can go wrong with anything. Mustard's a go-to. No, it does not make your food taste like mustard. It's just the binder that sticks to the seasoning on there. And with seasonings, I go with the Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub first. We're going to put that on generously, just like this. Almost that. There we go. And I'll get the sides here in just a little bit, probably off camera. There we go. Secondly, this is a 16 mesh black pepper. I also did kosher salt in here, and it does have a mixture if you see a little bit of red in it. It's just a little seasoning that I put together, something I like to use on briskets and any various beefs. And we go ahead and just go and season that heavily, generously put on there. Sometimes it doesn't really work the way it's supposed to. And make sure you're very heavy-handed. Coat it really good, and then we're going to pat it in, and then that will be it for the seasonings. Alright, I'm not done yet. I'm going to put some more seasoning on, and then we'll come right back. Okay, got all the seasoning on there. She is seasoned up really nice. What I did not tell you, I forgot, I trimmed all the fat off. I always keep the fat. We're going to put it in a pot right here. It's on the stove. We're going to cook this down. We're going to let it render down. It's going to take a while, but we're going to make beef tallow out of that, and I'll show you how that goes. But right now we're about to go check the grill, and we are going to put this bad boy on. Alright guys, this is it. It's about to go on. Got the smoke up. We're going to run it at 225. Got a couple little sausage dogs on there. Jalapeno cheddar for the fellas, because no, they're not going to be able to wait on this. It's going to take a while. We're going to throw this bad boy on here, and don't forget, while you're waiting, grab your favorite beverage, crack that bad boy open. Alright, all wrapped up. It's got it wrapped up, and going back on until it reaches until about 193. Alright, good morning. It is about 5:30. The brisket is done. It's been a 15-hour cook roughly, resting about almost 5 hours or so. So you're going to see it in real time. I'm about to open it up. We're going to slice it up and see how we did. There we go. Set that right there. camera dirty doing this. So there she is, guys. Juicy. Well, that's it. That's how I cook a brisket. Nothing left to do but to eat it. So it's 5:30, but I mean, still gotta try a little piece, right? Hey, like I said before, usually it's about fishing, but when we're not catching, we're cooking, right? So let's eat.